Continuing video number 5 on tuning an entire harp. Now, in the last video, we completed the tuning of 2 holes, and it was on top, remember that part, so I had to push the slide in to get to the next one, and I'm guided in what I'm supposed to be doing by this written report that I made, where I have for all of the positions where the air hole is open at the top on the harmonica. So in other words, that one I believe was with, slide out, and that one slide in, slide out, slide in, so that I'm always dealing with this upper plate, because those are all draw reeds off the top. So of course here's my draw, and of course my blow. Now, one of the nice parts about having this written report is that I can come back to a job when I've left it alone for a while and not get lost, because I know where I was at, because on the harp I marked the last reed that that I did, which is that one there. So we're of course tuning draw reeds right now. So we're at the 3rd hole. I have my industrial razor blade, and here's my glasses, safety glasses, but also magnifying, and I'm ready to get back in here and do another read here. Hopefully you can come and kind of join me. We're going to turn on our tuner. And I know that my next read, and by the way, I marked this here, that it took 3 taps of my Dremel with the conical stone, 3 taps to go a distance of 3 hertz. So I know that, and I'm going to be tracking that all along, because when I go to do the ones that are on the inside, I'm going to have to be guessing what I'm doing until I put it all together at the end and test. So I won't be able to test the blow reeds. So let's go ahead now. Supposedly the 3rd hole here, which is, open at the top there without the slide in, is down 3. Let's just test that. I'm going to say it's down 2. I think that that was a mistake, and that it was actually down 2, not down 3. So I'll take my time right now and adjust the calculation. So I'm down 2, and I'll test that one more time. You can see how many times I go back and forth on this. So I'm only coming up just 2, and of course the rule we know is that we always want to lift up the reed a little bit with this industrial razor blade. See how I have it? And that way I can kind of keep it steady as I'm working on it. And this one I'm going to be taking higher, but we'll go ahead and plug this in and turn it on. I'm going to hold the razor blade and just a teeny little buzz, one little tap. Let's see how much we got difference there. I went about half the distance I need to go, which is just about the correct calibration. So I want to make sure that, I'm not doing too much. And of course I did mark the 2 reeds that had already been done. So I can come in with one more tap, and that should do it. may go one more. That would pass, but while I'm here and I'm doing such a careful job, I can go one more because I didn't tap hard that last time at all. Dead on. Okay, I'm going to count this as a 3 or as a 2 tap because I was so light with the others that they really don't even count. And then I'll come up here on this reed and I will now mark that third draw reed as tuned. And you might say, well, what are you doing again here? I'm marking the reeds as I'm retuning them so that I know where I'm at. Okay, now hole number 4 is okay, and hole number 5 is okay. And then we've got hole number 6 with the slide in. Okay, and that one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got to make sure that you're, lining up here. And just to be safe, I'm going to put a little dot right onto the reed plate. I can always remove that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more test. And I'm in the right place. Okay. Now you might say, why are you being so careful where you're at? Because you get lost, you're going to blow that harmonica's tuning right out in the wrong places. So I double check and double check. So let's go ahead here and we'll go ahead and do number 6. And we know that what we're trying to do right now is I'm trying to it's a little bit flat, so I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to bring it up in pitch. Okay. Come in like that. 6 is a long way. Definitely see I got on that one, huh? See it scratched up. That reed right there got it. Dead on. Okay, so that was 4 taps of the drill. 1, 2, 3, 4 to fix that. Okay, now number 7 is down. That's hole number 7. Is this one. That one's dead on. That was not off. It was okay. So that's why you test again. Okay, now number 8 is supposed to be down 2. 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to mark this one because I'm pretty far along on the harp right now and I don't want to get lost. So I just put a little dot on the reed plate of the one I'm working on. I think you get the idea. I don't want to go too long on this video. See you soon.